Hey beautiful, if you've been struggling with dry hair, breakage, and slow growth, and you feel like you've been doing all the right things on your wash day, this is the right video for you. I'm Brittany, a licensed cosmetologist and a natural hair specialist. I have helped hundreds of women over the years. And what I've noticed is that a lot of people are doing things on their wash days that are actually setting their hair back. Let's talk about it. So let's keep it real. Wash day is not just about cleansing your hair, but it is the foundation of your hair routine. So if that foundation is shaky, it doesn't matter what serums, leave-ins, or products that you're using. What I've seen behind the chair is that people have been making these three common mistakes. One is waiting too long in between wash days. If you're going 3, 4, 5, 6 weeks between wash days, buildup and dryness could be stifling your hair growth and also causing unnecessary dryness. Number 2, skipping the detangling. So if you're not detangling your hair or at least gently separating your hair before you wash your hair, you're creating even more tangles on top of what you already have before the conditioner even hits your hair. So it's making your job harder, and when you go to detangle it, you're probably breaking off more hair. Number 3, not using enough water or products. Wash days should be wet, saturated, and slippery. I know that sounds crazy, but it should. And also allow products to do the job instead of you forcing it by brute force. And let me just say this, healthy hair is clean hair. When you get wash day right, a lot of things get easier. Your hair stays hydrated longer, styling becomes easier, and your growth starts to show. A proper wash day includes these steps: pre-sectioning. So before you even get your hair wet, what you want to do is section your hair into smaller sections, especially if you have high density and if your hair is prone to tangling. You want to separate your hair before, either with your hands, or if it's more tangled, I would recommend a wide tooth comb. And then make sure you put some conditioner on your hair and work through some of those tangles before you either get in the shower, because the conditioner will help loosen that up. Scalp cleanse. So when you are shampooing your hair, you want to focus on your scalp using a gentle shampoo and making sure you're getting your scalp clean versus focusing on your ends. Conditioning with intention. So when you condition your hair, you want to make sure that product is saturated on your hair, and you want to work through your hair with either your fingers or comb, wide tooth comb, or a detangling brush, and you want to start from the ends and go all the way to the scalp. And then by the end of it, you want to be able to take your brush or comb or tool or hands or whatever from the scalp all the way to the ends to ensure that your hair is actually detangled. Deep condition regularly. Me personally, and what I recommend is deep conditioning every single time. I always deep condition. Now, if you shampoo your hair multiple times in a week, then I don't recommend that you do deep condition every time. But you want to remember to rebuild the strength and maybe do a intense moisture treatment, and to make sure that your hair is moisturized. That makes it more pliable and soft and helps prevent breakage due to dryness. So after rinsing your hair, you want to go ahead and put a leave-in conditioner in. Depending on the density of your hair will determine what type of leave-in you should use. And then you want to use a product after that to seal that moisture in, whether it be an oil or a cream or custard, depending on how you're styling your hair. And listen, it's not about making the wash day as long as possible, but it's about being intentional and knowing what you're doing and why you're doing it. Then you will see your hair thrive. If you're listening to me and you're like, wow, that's a lot, I can't even comprehend that, don't worry, I got you. I created a free download that's called The Perfect Wash Day. It's a PDF. It's a simple step-by-step guide that walks you through what to do and what order to do it in, and what type of products that you should be using. You can grab it below this video. The link is in the description box below. And if you want more tips, and if you want more support, tips, or engagement for more women on the same journey as you, be sure to join my private Facebook group. It's called Curl Confidence, Natural Hair Mastery for Beginners. We're building a whole group of curl friends. who learn together. So I'll see you inside the group. Make sure you grab your PDF. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up. And if you know someone who it could help, make sure you share it with them. And drop a comment below of any questions or advice that you have to share with the community. And if this has helped you, give a thumbs up and leave a comment about your biggest wash day struggle. And don't forget to subscribe for more real talk on growing healthy natural hair. Of your crown, and I'll see you then.